Social economy and green social entrepreneurship. The European Commission promotes the social economy and social and inclusive entrepreneurship because of their important role in job creation, work integration, and inclusive and sustainable growth. The social economy encompasses a variety of businesses, organizations, and legal forms such as social enterprises, cooperatives, mutual benefit societies, non-profit association, and foundation, which all share the future of systematically putting people first. A social enterprise combines entrepreneurial activity with social purpose. Its main aim is to have a social impact rather than maximize profit for owners or shareholders. Businesses providing social services or goods and services to vulnerable persons are typical examples of social enterprises. Inclusive entrepreneurship aims to ensure that all people, regardless of their personal characteristics and background, have equal opportunities to create and run a business. There are some 2.8 million social economy entities and enterprises in Europe, employing together around 13.6 million people. The share of the social economy in paid employment varies between 0.6% and 9% per 9 almost member states. On 9th of December 2021, the European Commission adopted a new action plan on the social economy. With the action plan, the Commission put forward concrete measures to help mobilize the full potential of the social economy. The aim of the action plan is to enhance social investment, support social economy actors and social enterprises to start up, scale up, innovate, and create jobs. It will do this through a series of initiatives in the following 3 areas: creating the right framework conditions for the social economy to thrive, opening up opportunities and support to capacity building, and enhancing recognition of the social economy and its potential. The green transformation is not only a matter of job sector. It cannot be separated from civil society awareness and pressure surrounding issues of environmental sustainability. In Europe, the strong development of ecological organizations, consumer associations, unions, business organizations, and other civil society bodies is the factor that can allow the coming changes to generate an economy that ensures more manageable, sustainable, social, environment-friendly development. Therefore, the green transition can blend technological innovation with social and environmental improvement into an economic model that is social inclusive and equitable, and that places more emphasis on human well-being, preserving our planet's natural resources. There are 2 broad characteristics of social economy organizations that are of particular interest when considering the green transformation: values and structure. The generation of profit is secondary to their explicit social aims, and their democratic structure provides a further distinguishing feature in comparison to profit business. Social economy enterprises are economic actors whose main purpose is to create a positive social impact. By definition, social economy enterprises use the majority of their possible profits as means for achieving their primary social objectives rather than maximizing profit for their owners and shareholders. Their activities rely primarily, but not exclusively, on limited profit distribution business models whereby most of their surpluses are reinvested in further development of their activity. Another characteristic shared by most social economy organizations is their ownership structure, in which ownership rights are assigned to stakeholders other than investors, and a significant emphasis is placed on stakeholder involvement and participation. These stakeholders can include workers, customers, or even volunteers. Many social economy organizations are characterized by strong participation of volunteers who often play a key role, particularly in the startup phase of the organization. Green social entrepreneurship. Green social entrepreneur could play the important roles in sustainable development. Third, as an innovative community to change the structure of the economy through sustainability, and second, as community which creates and changes the norms in society so as to maintain sustainable development. In fact, green social entrepreneurs do not focus only on the most immediate problem, but also seek to understand the context to develop new resources and make them available to influence global society. The green entrepreneur is the one who cultivates green businesses with the help of green practices. A green entrepreneur consistently addresses an environmental or social problems needs through the understanding of entrepreneurial ideas. They penetrate the market by swapping conventional or traditional products. Circular economy transition. The greening of the economy has targeted the circular economy as one of their main objectives through the achievement of a sustainable development. Low carbon and resource efficient and competitive economy in which the transition to a circular economy is systematic change. Green transition requires fundamental changes to production and consumption systems, going well beyond resource efficiency and recycling waste. The transition implies systematic change and innovation not only in technologies but also in organization, society, finance methods and policies. Within a circular economy, the economy is designed to be regenerative, working on the regeneration of capital assets. It is a principle of an ongoing self-renewal process which builds relationships and allows socio-economics and ecological systems to constantly evolve. The circular economy plays a key role towards green transformation that should imply system change in the economy. In its EU Action Plan for the Circular Economy, the European Commission recognized that social economy enterprises will make a key contribution to the circular economy. Both models place individuals and sustainable development at the center of their concerns, where the key factor for both consists in strengthening creative and innovative capacity at local level. Renewable energy cooperative. The values and principles of the cooperative movement and the social economy, such as links with the local area, intercooperation or community ownership, and demonstrating pillars for development alternative models to promoting community access to the benefit of renewable energy. Renewable energy projects suitable for many locations, communities and commercial conditions range from biomass and district heating to energy efficiency and microgeneration. The projects include support to communities to set up their own energy producing and or consuming cooperatives. This is done through the cooperative model of community ownership, which maximizes primarily and secondary benefits of renewable energy to local people. The creation of networks among social economic actors, it can be considered a very powerful tool since it combines two important aspects: to be grounded at the local level and to be connected globally. The network gives the possibility to develop many impactful activities, such as development of skills, competencies and know-how, testing innovative approaches, exchanging of best practices, networking, and promotion of social economy aims and information dissemination. The community's awareness is a way to make them more participative and responsible about the green transition. Thanks to their formal and informal networks, social enterprises are able to be closer to the community. They influence their community because they make real the change of habits and make people part of this change. Social enterprises operate in a way that generates creative solutions where the crisis is turned into an opportunity. They think differently and work differently. They are flexible enough to address complex issues and consider collaboration as a winning strategy.